Go, go.
Mommy.
Go, go. Step.
It's okay.
Yan, okay. Oh, Ate's holding you.
It's okay.
Yan.
Now, step up.
Yan.
Yay! Let's go on the slide. You can do this jump. 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Congratulations to JB and Tiffany. They are, oh, ito lang pala yung CR nila, tsaka. Okay lang. Ganda naman. Pwede na, pwede na. Let's open this balcony. Oh, this is the view of our room. And there is the kids, JB, Tiffany, and Gianna in the playground. Enjoy ang kids. Bale, ito siya. Royal Park Hotel. May playground. Pwede na. May veranda. Yan. Okay, bye.